This is the weather forecast video for Thursday, February 24th, 2011. Let's first take a look at a water vapor satellite picture taken earlier this evening, and let's take a time lapse of it. You can see some storms off to the south and to the east, but the next storm is off to our west and southwest. That will brush the state later today through the weekend. Here is the watch warning map. You can see winter weather advisories over northern Missouri into Kansas, southeast Nebraska. Winter storm watches extend from eastern Illinois up to the northeastern part of this country, with flash flood watches to the south. And that's why QPF chart shows 4 to 5 inches of rain possible over the Ohio Valley. Over Iowa, anywhere from 1/10 of an inch in the northwest to up to an inch of liquid precipitation in the southeast. Here is the GFS Model Run at noon today, noon Thursday. Vortex over Texas, moving to the northeast. Under that, at the surface, you can see a low pressure forming over about Oklahoma City. Gulf moisture moving in. Could be a severe weather outbreak over the southeastern part of the country. By Friday at midnight, that low is now over about Louisville. Some light to moderate snow possible over the southeastern part of the state. 1 to 3 inches is possible from that. By Saturday at noon, that storm is long gone. Some light snow is still around, with the next storm that is digging into the southwest near Las Vegas. By Sunday at noon, you can see that trough is over the southwest, over Arizona and New Mexico, with a southwesterly flow aloft over the state of Iowa. At the surface, that low is now forming over about southeastern Colorado. Gulf moisture coming back up from the south, so some rain, maybe freezing rain possible then. This is Monday morning at midnight. That low is now raced northeast, so it's about between St. Louis and Keokuk. Some warm air over southeast Iowa, some colder air over the western part of the state. That could lead to some snow. By Tuesday morning at 6 o'clock, you can see that storm is long gone. Colder air moving in, so some cool air then. This is Wednesday at noon. The cold air is still around, so highs most likely below the average early to mid of next week. This is Thursday morning, a week from today, at 6 a.m. That high pressure now moving off to the east, so warm air will start to move back north. Now in Voodoo country, this is Saturday, March 5th. You can see a short trough out to the west of the state. And down below that, a new storm forming will be on the warm sector of that storm, with some snow possible over the northwestern part of the state, but that could change in later runs. This is Tuesday, March 8th, another storm coming in behind that one. That could be snowy, with some rain, freezing rain possible then. And at the end of the forecast period on March 11th, you can see zonal flow with a little bit of a ridge just to the west of the state. And down below that at the surface, you can see some rain or snow off to the west, some to the south, so that will change in later runs most likely. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video.